Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to create eye-catching Instagram Reels in 2026, Canva makes the process simple even if you have, never edited a video before. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create an Instagram Reel in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so what an Instagram Reel in Canva is? A Canva Reel is a vertical video built from clips, images, and text, enhanced with music and animations, exported as an MP4 video. It's a short vertical video made for Instagram. Okay, so first thing first, open Canva, log into your account. Okay, click create a design, select social media. Okay, look for Instagram Reel. Okay, here is it. Tap it. This opens a vertical video canvas. Okay, so on the left sidebar now we have templates. Search styles like motivational, business. Okay, depends on what you want exactly. Click a template to apply it. For example, this one. Okay, templates give you ready-made timing and layout. Okay, so click uploads, upload your own videos or photos, drag them onto the timeline, or click videos, choose stock clips, drag them onto the design. Okay, so you can for example click text and add text. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.